Are you facing signal losses in your fiber network? Struggling with weak and inconsistent splices? Weak splices slowing down your work? The cleaver may be the real reason. Why compromise your fiber performance with inaccurate cleaving? It's time to upgrade your precision with the Optronix TT50 Fiber Cleaver. Engineered for clean, accurate cleaving, the TT50 delivers smooth fiber end faces for reliable, high-performance connections. Crafted with high-quality silica glass, the TT50 ensures stable, accurate cleaving performance for professional fiber applications. Built for durability, it offers a blade life of up to 50,000 cleaves for long-term consistency. The auto slider return mechanism enhances speed and efficiency during operation. Maintain a clean workspace with the off-cut fiber collector and magnetic lid fiber bin for safer, cleaner, and more efficient cleaving operations. Supports multiple fiber types including bare fiber, flat cable, and patch cord with dedicated adapter positions for precise and accurate cleaving. Its single-piece aluminum CNC cut casing gives it a strong, durable body with premium finishing. All this in a compact and lightweight design of just 280 grams, with an included Allen key for easy maintenance. Strip, cleave, and splice. From rough edges to perfect finishes, experience the difference in every cleave. Optronix TT50 Precision Cleaving. Perfect connections.